Hello everyone, welcome back to Calendar and Math. So let's go ahead, take a look at how many days, not how many days, at our date. Let's look at that first. Here we go. Yesterday we were on the 19th, which means today we're moving our clip right here. Yes, you're right. It is the 20th. Let's say our today is statement. Today is May 20th, 2020. If we look above the 20th right up here, yes, it is Wednesday. Today is Wednesday, May 20th, 2020. So now let's look at how many days we've been in school. 173 was yesterday. So if I take a straw and I add it to the ones column, we had 3 in there yesterday. I just added 1 more, so we're at 4. Fantastic. 100. Ooh, how many days have we been in school? 174 days. What does the number 174 mean? Yes, 1 group of 100, 7 groups of 10, and 4 ones. Woo! As I'm dropping them all over. Fantastic. Let's count them as we put them back in. Here we go. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 171, 172, 173, and 174 days of school. Good job. So how do I make 174 with our base 10 blocks? That is correct. 1 100ths flat for a group of 100. 7 groups of 10, so 7 sticks of 10. And then 4 ones. So we have 174. Fantastic. Excellent. Let's write the number 174. 100, 1 in the hundreds, 70, 7 in the tens, 4, 4 in the ones, little down, little over, straight down. Double check those numbers. Don't make any backwards. 174 days of school. Fantastic. Well, on the 174th day of school, you have a summer true or false board game to play. Here it is right here. I know some of you are awesome about pulling this up on the computer, and you can just use your little pen on the computer and just play it right there. Or you can print it out, use some coins or whatever else. You can take something from another game that you can use to play it around, but it's a true or false game. So here's start, here's finish. It says each player puts a counter on start. Take turns to roll a dice and move the number of spaces on the dice. The player then decides if the equation is true or false. So let's say I rolled a 2 and I moved 1 2. And it says 7 plus 4 equals 14. I have to figure out, is 7 plus 4 really 14? And if it is, I would say true. And if it's not, I would say false. My partner is going to either agree or disagree with me. It says, if the equation is true, the player has another turn. Oh, so if it's true, I get to go again. That's awesome. If the equation is false, the player stays on that space and the next player has a turn. Land on a crab and you go back to the start. Oh no, I see those crab spaces. If you land there, you have to go back to start. First to get to the finish line wins. I'm also going to make another rule. If you say true, but it's not really true, you have to go back to where you were the turn before that. If you say false and it's not really false, if you get it wrong, you have to go back to the space you were before that, okay? Because we can't get credit if we're not taking our time and getting it right. Remember, we've got fingers, we've got counting up, we've got drawing strategies, we've got counter strategies. You can use any of those to prove these true or false. Have fun, enjoy, bye.